So she bought how many balloons, children? 5075. So total balloons 5075. And she distributed 2295 red balloons and 2187 blue balloons. So she distributed all the total balloons. Red balloons and blue balloons were distributed. Okay, among the children. So remaining how many balloons were left with Jaya? So here we have write first word problem. Search first you write the words total number of balloons. Total number of balloons how many children? 5075. Okay, she distributed number of red balloons distributed. She distributed number of, first color is red color. So red balloons you write first here. How many? 2295. Again, she distributed which color? Number of blue balloons. How many children blue balloons? 2187. Okay, 2187. Now we find out number of balloons were left. Number of balloons were left. So first total 5075 minus brackets open children, red and blue balloons. So add these two numbers. First add these red balloons and blue balloons. So in your rough place on your book 2295 and 2187. Add these two numbers now first. 5 keep in your mind, take some fingers, 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 2 here and 1 here. 1 plus 9, 10, 10 plus 8, 18. So 8 and 1. 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 1, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. So here add these two numbers because the answer is 4482. Okay? Here I erase the question children. I adjust the place not here. Don't adjust the place. So I erase the question here. Okay? So here you write the remaining answer is, you do the subtraction in the rough place, 5075 and 4482. So first 5, take 5 fingers, close second number is 2 fingers, remaining 3. 7 minus 8 possible You write this zero or don't write, that is a not problem. So 593 is the answer. So number of balloons were left here 593. So here you write that person name is, what is that children? Jaya. So Jaya has 593 balloons left with her. Balloons left with her. Okay children, so this is our problem. First you write this step, after you write this one. Okay, first you write total number of balloons. How many children? 5075. On the balloons she distributed number of red balloons 2295 and distributed number of blue balloons 2187. So first we add red and blue balloons. Given the 4482 is the answer. Here you do the subtraction, here you do the addition. So this one is, you subtract it from 5075 becomes the answer is 593. So how many balloons were left? Jaya has 593 balloons left with her. Okay children, so note this question and answer also note in your notebooks. See your textbooks and note the question in your notebooks. Okay children, third word problem. So write this answer totally. Without mistakes, do the addition subtraction carefully. See our next word problem children. A school library. So, any school has a library children? Yes, some of the schools have a library, some of the schools don't have a library. So, a school library had 9,988 books. So, total how many books? 9,988. On science fiction, maths, puzzles and English classes. These three subjects based on total books are 9,988. If there 2,758 books on maths puzzles and 3,979 books on science fiction. So remaining English classes, how many are there? Now we find out that. Okay children, first write total number of books. Total number of books. First you write the total number of books 9,988. So total books are here. Okay, here number of sites, number of maths puzzles. Okay children, number of books on maths puzzles. How many? 2,758. Next, which subject is there? Number of books on science fiction. How many? 3,979. So here we'll find the number of English classics. So we'll find out number of books on English classics. Number of books on English classics. So you do here first 9,988 total minus number of maths puzzles and number of science fiction. First we add these two numbers. 2,758 plus 3,979. Okay children, I don't adjust the place here, so I will adjust the question. 8 keep in your mind, take 9 fingers, 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 7 and 1. 1 keep in your mind, take 2 fingers, 1 after 2, 3. 3 keep in your mind, take 3 fingers, 3 after 4, 5, 6. So 6737 is the answer. So add these two numbers, the answer is 6737. Now you do the subtraction between these two numbers. On the left place, 9988 and 6737. You do the subtraction. First you do the ones place, take 8 fingers, close 7 fingers. 5, 6, 7 and 1 finger is there. So remaining 1. And tens place, take 8 fingers, close 3 fingers. Remaining 5 is there. And hundreds place, take 9 fingers, close 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. Remaining 2. Last, take 9 fingers, close 6 fingers. Remaining 4, 5, 6. Remaining 3. So 3251. So how many classes? English classes are there, children? Find the number of English classes. So therefore, there are 3251 English. There are 3251 books on English classics. English classics. Okay, children. So here he asked how many English classics books are there. There are 3251 books on English classics. Okay, children. There are 3251 books on English classics are there. Total number